everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a FabFitFun unboxing video. This is the winter edition of FabFitFun. I am so excited. I love the box. So nice. It almost feels naughty. I have been loving FabFitFun and it is such a great seasonal subscription box. So if you don't know what FabFitFun is, it is a seasonal subscription box that you can completely customize to what you want. They have so many different things from fitness items to home stuff, beauty stuff, fashion stuff, just so many different things, and you can completely customize so you know exactly what you are getting in your box. And I was thinking about this. This is such a great gift to give. As we're coming up on the holiday season, I think this would be such an awesome gift. You can completely customize it to the person you are gifting for the season. And I also have a discount code. So my discount code is ErinElizabeth20, and you can get 20% off of your first box. And this is a $350 value in here, and you can get it with my code for $47.99. Which is amazing. So if you want to try it out, I say now is the time. Or if you want to gift it to someone, I think it's such a great thing to gift a little seasonal subscription service like FabFitFun. I have really been loving my box, and today I'm going to be boxing my winter box. And I was thinking about winter. I was like, oh, winter's coming up. I love the holiday season, but after it gets a little sad and like, I don't know, I don't take care of myself. I wear sweats more. So I decided to fill my box with a bunch of beauty stuff. I have some new things I'm super excited to try, and also a couple of old faithfuls that I love. They have so many brands. Like I said, new brands that you can try out, brands that you know and love. So let's go ahead, we're gonna get into my FabFitFun winter box. So first up, like I said, I got like all beauty things in my box this time. First up, I'm gonna pull the biggie out. I got a hair waiver. I actually thought this would be fun, not only for myself to kind of try out, but my daughter, she's been really into kind of doing her hair for school every day. This probably wouldn't be an everyday thing for her, but I think she would love to try this out and have like wavy fun hair for the day. So I'm really excited to share this with her. I think she'll really like it, and it's pink, so she's gonna like this. All right, next up in my box, I got something that is a little self-care. I thought this would be a good kind of pick-me-up in winter when you just want to do a little self-care. This is from Aceology. It is called their Probiotic Restoring Biodegradable Mask. So it's kind of like a sheet mask. I don't know how many are in here. I believe there's 4 in here. And I just thought it sounded really cool. The fact that it had like probiotic restoring, kind of just, like I said, a little self-care. So I'm really excited to try this out. It's a brand I've never tried out, so I'm super excited. Right, next up in my box is something I'm really excited about because it's actually something that I can gift or I can keep for myself. Not really sure yet, but I thought it was so adorable. It is from Slip. Their silk scrunchies are very popular. And I thought, oh, how cute. It's like a little ornament, but it's also a gift. I mean, I can put this in like a teacher gift or give it to my daughter or keep it myself. But they have like 4 little silk scrunchies in there. I love the holiday theme. I love that it's a little ornament too. How cute. And you're kind of knocking out some gifts while getting your box, so I love that. Next up in my box, I got this little nail polish duo. Obviously it's very festive. I love the red and the silver. I actually don't have a really good red nail polish, and this one looks really good. And I've never tried London Town nail polish. It's a very popular brand, but I've never tried it before, so I thought now is the time. I'm gonna add this to my box and add a really good red. It also comes with that really pretty silver. I love it. I'm super excited. I am actually going to keep this for myself because I really want to try it out, but also this would be a really great stocking stuffer or gift to give. All right, the last 2 things are actually some like products that I've already tried, some restocks of things that I already use, which is so great to add to your box. First up being the Ouai leave-in conditioner. I absolutely love this stuff. It is a must-have hair product for me. Anytime I wash my hair, this is the first thing I put in my hair when I get out of the shower, and it detangles. It leaves my hair super soft and silky, so I'm so glad to have a backup of that. The last item I got in my box is from Elemis, one of my favorite brands of skincare. This is the Peptide 4 Eye Recovery Cream. I have gone through actually a couple of these eye creams, and it's really, really nice. Very like hydrating, and I always felt that this was a really great product for winter. So when I saw it, I was like, add to box immediately. I would love to have another one of these. So I love this eye cream, and it's a great restock product for me. All right guys, so that is it for my FabFitFun winter unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to take advantage of my discount code ErinElizabeth20 for that 20% off of your first box. I think this would be such a great gift to give this season, and I hope you guys love this video, love the unboxing, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.